And it's bringing back all the memories running this course with Mama back in 2015. So I miss Mama.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at heart.
Yo, Walt Disney in the house. What's up, Red? Good to see you, girl. Ready to rock it tonight? To have some fun. Come on.
I am at the Expedition Everest 5K and I finally get to meet Lonnie in person. I am so excited. It's been years that we've known each other through social media, but he's just the sweetest and most encouraging soul out there. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. It's great to be on the video finally.
Thank you.
So, thanks. Looking forward to it. It's going to be a great night. Nice little win. So, I'm all good for that. I'm ready for it.
Hey. Thank you.
Thank you. That 5K is about to get started. Y'all got enough time. And we're so excited to have y'all here party with us tonight. Come on.
I absolutely can. My husband, Jar Oxen Spoon, has a YouTube channel. He has a series called Dopey Training for Slackers. So he believes in PRing and fun. And I happened to find his YouTube channel while I was training for for the first marathon in 2020. And then I slid into his DMs. And then we met marathon weekend 2020 and we're married 9 months later.
That is amazing. Did he propose during a race?
He did not propose during a race, but he proposed in a parking lot where he filmed one of his episodes of Dopey Training for Slackers. And it was perfect!
See, all that magic here at Walt Disney World, of course, with Run Disney. What a great story. So you have to introduce me to him now.
I ran into Jenny and we're walking to the crowds. They just announced they shortened tonight's race and they are postponing the scavenger hunt. So we're like, what's the distance? We don't know.
Not terrible. We've got a nice little breeze here.
So we'll find out.
Welcome. Nice to see you. We're going to do a start line selfie on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hands up. Please hide yourselves. We're going to have a great race today. Be kind to each other. Be kind to everybody out there. Hopefully we have a wonderful evening and we can all enjoy this beautiful night together in our first night race and our first Expedition Everest since 2015. Cohen's got excited. Ready? We'll do it together. Honey, just nod and smile. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
We just started the race. We were in the second wave of one to go off. And it's bringing back all the memories running this course with Mama back in 2015. So I miss Mama this time. Wish you were here. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness! Look at the shades on her.
Right.
We just took a photo with the four-legged friend with glasses on.
Fantastic. Oh.
Here we are. We're looking for Gary Erickson. He is described as a male man.
Yeah.
With a head. No, he's a male man.
A mailman.
A male man.
Like a postal carrier.
No, he's carrying
Tons of athletes out here every weekend.
taking our first walking break just because humidity is bad. So, but we're having fun so far. Here we go.
I'll be smiling.
Thank you.
No rain in sight. No rain. Just around the corner. Big smiles. Big smiles.
Thank you.
You got this. Keep it up.
Oh, precious. And this is how dark the course is. Can't see. Taking another walking break. Finally can see where we're going. But, all right, photo up here. So far we've gotten Goofy and then the turtles back there. So we'll see who else. Oh, maybe Donald or Daisy.
Not quite 2.5.
Mile 3.
I know, that was
That's terrible. False advertisement.
But from what people are saying, it's half a mile cut out. So we did our mile walk earlier. That counts.
Love it, love it, love it.
So we finished the race and these came in on time. So I think it is 2.7 for distance. With characters and all that, 45 minutes, not too bad waiting for all that. Had fun, took it easy tonight, and we got our compass. So I'm so excited about this. Let's open it up. So it is gorgeous and it opens up for our compass.
You're almost there! You got this! I know.
So we just got back to the room. It's around 12 something, I don't know. You look like Belle with this. But we didn't get to do Moonlight Madness. I'm a little disappointed because of the weather and they saw lightning. But we are enjoying our Erin McKenna's strawberry shortcake. Just a little, not the whole thing. I need to take my headache medicine because just tension today. And we're drinking our water. So that's gonna do it for tonight. Thanks for watching the 5K video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos coming soon. And don't forget to tell your friends and family. Hope y'all like this. I need sleep. Good night.